still growling.
They should have made it to where like
It opens up to the
Velcro.
leg.
Like all the way.
Yeah, because it doesn't, you know, the leg in
Good luck getting it.
Here.
Poor baby.
You're a funny dog, man. I know. I know. Shut up already.
She catch you?
No. Just tried to. It's a little tight. Okay, Cheyenne's closed.
That's funny.